Welcome everybody. Finally, we are here for a weekly update of construction. This is like construction status of Brigade Eldorado. We'll be looking out. People who see this construction status is only required for the people who have already bought the project, I believe. But again, I would like to start off from the beginning. See, this is the starting boundary for the project, which is of 50 acres of township project. People who are not aware, next to the project there will be an expressway as per the plan. You can refer the plan of Brigade and as well as the plan of Godrej. So that's why there is a gap in between. That's the Godrej boundary, and here is the boundary of MGR developers. So there is a big gap in between both the projects, right? And then here also you look out, you have a very big gap between the substation and as well as the project. I think more than 100 meter or 200 meter gap is there, almost 200 gap. So this is Iridium tower, the front tower which we are looking out. So you can look out. The guy is sitting there, no problem, just take it from front only, right? This is the Iridium tower which is getting construction. People who are not aware, Iridium is something which has this is a unique tower in an entire project. What is the why this is unique? Because this unit, this tower will have only 1 and 1.5 BHK. So there is no 2 BHK, there is no 3 BHK, and specifically Iridium tower. But other towers, like see the similar way, like as I said, for 50 acres, this is the only tower which has 1 and 1.5 BHK flats available for sale. And people who are interested for 1 BHK, investors or the self-use or the first-time home buyers who are looking out to have your dream home, I think you can buy a 1 BHK unit. This is not very costly. Starts from 29,99,000 rupees. And I think excluding other charges, that's the base price. Irrespective, the moment you select a unit, so based on the unit, there are chances where the prices might go high. Okay? And now let us look out the Helium and Helium. We're not able to see from here. There you see that's the Helium tower and Helium right behind Iridium. So those are the two towers which builder is planning to hand over by next year. Mostly very early next year or mid next year. This is what the actual plan of Brigade. They'll be planning very soon. Along with that, you will get one clubhouse also within the project. The first clubhouse which is in between Iridium and the Helium tower. Iridium is something which is like I can say 1.5 BHKs they are selling at premium cost with additional cost because the unit has the facing of the clubhouses, swimming pool, and almost the central courtyard. And the units which are facing towards the road, in one road, the units whatever they have, like corner units all 1.5 BHK. Only the center units are 1 BHKs. 1 BHKs are very less in an entire project. Even also if you look at the pricing is also very attractive. But however, people who have concern with the high tension wires, see I'm standing exactly right below the high tension wires. So this is the distance between the boundary of the project and as well as the high tension wire. And after after boundary, if you look at the gap between the Iridium tower and the high tension wires, it's very big. I think this is almost closer to the new airport road highway, which is the big. I think more than 120 feet is there. 120 feet approximately. I'm not sure exactly. 120 feet or 100 meter. It will be more than that. Well, that's the distance of the project from high tension wires. Power station is that side. That's the corner that's the end of the project, or that's the starting of the project, you can say, for the residential zone. And this is the power station which will supply the electricity for the entire KIDBA. That's why it is the corner, other side of the corner, right? So this is Jasper tower next to Iridium. You can look out, they have given the name also there. Well, that's the Jasper tower. We heard that they will plan to hand over the Jasper tower by next year end. So we see it's however that is not the RERA date. The RERA date is completely different. So we heard everything depends on builder, like how soon they are planning to hand over Jasper tower to. However, this is from the other side of the units. The status which we just looked at. Let us move towards the center. The actual main gate of the project will move there. So right now I am exactly at the main gate. This is the first gate of Brigade Eldorado, the main entrance, which will be ready. Sorry for the noise, so I can't do anything about that. Well, see, this is Jasper. We just looked at here. You can look at the construction is happening very fastly. So, like as I said, they are planning to hand over even this tower very soon by next year, and or most probably can. However, see, I hope people who have bought the unit in Jasper, they are already aware of the of these things, like when they are planning to hand over. If in case if you are not aware, you can get in touch with the salesperson that you have bought it. But how? So you don't have to call them, because the RERA date is always the RERA date. So if builder is handing over before the RERA date, then you have to be happy with us, because builder is not delaying. So your EMIs, your interest will not get delayed, right? Well, this is Jasper. Then you have the Krypton Tower. This is the Krypton Tower, which is still some work is going on, construction work is going on. But even though construction is going on, I think from the lower floors they started finishing the work. So that's why you see the window work, almost they have done it up till until the 11th floor. The window work is done, right? So that is Krypton Tower. So well, in between from the main gate, from first main gate, if we just zoom and if you look at, so that's the multi-level car park. That's the multi-level car park in between Helium and Feldspar. And also let me show you the Feldspar construction. Since we are not allowed to go inside, I'm just showing you all the status from here. So just look out. That's the construction which is happening for Feldspar Tower. Still the crane is there. So once the construction is done, they will remove the crane and they'll put it in the other towers like Luminaire and Emerald. So we'll also look out those two towers. Well, availability, see if anybody is interested for early possession towers, 2 BHK like 740 or 795 and 799 square feet. You can call us. We'll just check for the available options if there are any possibility of getting the options available from builder. I mean the unit availability. Agar hota, we'll give it. Hota hai to we'll give it to you. If in case if it is not there, then we are really sorry for. We're really sorry. We can't help you on the availability. As for now, yes, there is one unit available, 799 square feet in Helium Tower. Ground floor, west facing. So whatever is available, either you will get it only west, it will be in ground floor or first floor. That's it. Other than these two floors, you will not get the unit anywhere. Well, Helium is sold out completely from ground to top. Jasper is also sold out from ground to top. Krypton, I need to check on the availability of smaller dimension. And Helium, one unit is there. If it doesn't have any problem with ground floor, 799 square feet with a beautiful foyer area, privacy wise one of the good unit to take. Yeah, it's not very high nor low. It's on the ground floor. Reach us for further details. So let us move further. We'll just move and we'll look out the other status. We'll quickly look out Luminaire and Emerald Emerald construction which is happening. Let us move. Well, hi. Sorry, I'm saying hi again. Hi everybody, we are at the second gate of the project, Brigade Eldorado, 50 acres of township. People who are not aware of this project, I repeat, I would like to tell you this is a 50 acres of township project, a very big property if you are combining Prestige and Godrej. So even combining both the project is not coming to 50 acres. So this single project is going more than 50 acres. Well, this is like as I was saying, I think where is the construction happening? Still the basement, they are at the basement level. The excavation work is done. So that's the excavation work for Luminaire. So Emerald Tower we are not able to see from here because the Emerald is the last. I mean it is not on the main road, so that's why. So here is the engineering office and lot of work is still there for to develop phase 2. Well, that is Prestige, the big towers which you are looking out. That project is most probably we will be handing over by next year is what builder is planning to hand over. And they have 2 BHK apartment if you're interested to buy a property in Prestige. 2 BHK with 2 washroom with 2 balcony or 1 balcony. You can reach us for further details. Well, we are talking about Brigade now, so let's talk on Brigade. See, Emerald, we have got good inventories of 971 and 1026 square feet. If you have a requirement of investment, see, I'm recommending this project. Investors, if you're still interested to invest your money in India, specifically in Bangalore, so choose North Bangalore. In North Bangalore, there is a specific zone, KIADB Aerospace Park. If you're investing, make sure that this should be for a long term. Just abhi invest kiya, next year if you are looking out for 100% appreciation, not at all possible. And please do not think your property will get doubled in next 3-4 years. No, that's an illogical answer. I mean, kya bolte hain? Sorry for this word. That's not going to happen. So just invest kiya 50 lakhs and you're expecting 1 crore by next 2 or 3 years. No, there should be a logical number behind this. Not every project will be Prestige City, and moreover Prestige City, they have given appreciation of 100% only on plots, not on apartments. You can cross check there, right? So this is for those customers who are thinking in that way. You will 100% get the appreciation, at least 35% or 40% appreciation you will get it by next 3 to 4 years, right? Let's say if you're waiting for 10 years, there are possibilities and there are chances where you might get double of whatever you have invested. It's all about this area of getting development. See, commercial work is already happening. So people who have not who have not watched our commercial construction status, the KIDB I'm talking about, I'll just add a link in description, so that first you can look out the commercial the commercial video, the developments which are already happening fastly, and then you can look at this construction status. Trust me, the area will definitely fetch you good returns in future. People who have already invested in Helium, Helio tower, all the towers earlier, so you can ask them. How you can ask them? Anywhere, if you meet at site, let's say if you are coming and meeting, visiting every quarter or 6 months once, if you're coming and say looking at the project, or if you're talking to sales managers, let's say if you see any existing customers who already bought a product in Brigade, you ask them what price they bought it and what is the appreciation they have got it now. So it's all about waiting. So the more you wait, the more appreciation you get. Now people who are invested in Emerald, so this is the best opportunity, and you have taken a right decision, trust me. And now very soon, when we don't know, Luminaire will be another tower which builder will be launching, and there are possibilities, not possibilities, there will be 100% price appreciation in the next tower. So what happens is, people who have invested, they are automatically getting appreciation on the unit. So that's one of the best advantage. So now Prestige will exit from this area, because they only have around 150 apartments approximately, not more than that or lesser than that, right? So that is one of the best part, because they are exiting. Once if they go, there is no competition. Now competition is only Godrej. However, Godrej phase 2 is also sold out. So if you are interested for 3 BHK Jodi and a 3 BHK small 3 BHK with 2 washroom in Godrej, you can call us. We'll check for the good options which are available, and we'll try to give it to you, right? You still have a very good chance of becoming a part of this KIDBA. See, what is the meaning of KIDBA? KIDBA, the land of opportunities. So government itself says this area is an opportunity. Invest now and get returns in future. It's definitely going to be bigger than Electronic City. I'll not tell you ITPL Whitefield, because that area is filled with IT companies. So this area is a mix of everything. So you have the ITBT, you have the aerospace, you have the manufacturing companies, you have the warehouses, you have the R&D companies, hotels. Our airport is already there, and even government has planned some 100 acres of development closer to airport, right? Well, hope I've given you all the information on this project, and as well as the development of this area. Well, we are channel partners for builders. See, we recommend all the customers, it is every individual responsibility, if you are in Bangalore, to physically visit the location and just understand. So please do not say that it is only in papers until you have physically visited this area, because sometimes what happens, it is very difficult to trust people. There are customers who just see the reviews online, they never visit the property, or they never visit the area by just seeing the reviews. See, what happens is, when 100 customers are buying, it is very difficult to satisfy all the 100 customers, right? Hardly 98% or 97% or 99% of the customers will be happy. 1% will not be happy because of one or the other reason. This not happens only in real estate, this happens in all the fields. Let's say if you're using a Jio SIM or Airtel, so you will have one or the other concerns, right? So the similar way, if you're using an iPhone or Samsung, the same way you will have one or the other issue with the cell phone. You will not be 100% satisfied with the product, whatever. This is just a human क्या बोलते हैं brain ऐसा कुछ है, right? So well, I know for a fact your hard-earned money you will be investing it, so that's why we are recommending you only good developers to invest your hard-earned money, so that you at least get returns. However, these are all RERA registered projects, whichever we are referring to, and these are top builders in Bangalore. And even we are channel partners, and as we are channel partners, even we are ERA registered. So feel free to call us and share your requirement with us to suggest you best product which matches to your requirement. Not only investors, after investors, if somebody is looking out to buy a unit for self-use, you can call us. We have got plots in North Bangalore, we have got plots in Sarjapura Road, Sarjapura Chikottirupati. Then also we have villas, the luxury villas which are available for sale in Devanahalli and Nandi Hills. Right? Reach us for further details. Thank you so much for watching us. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a nice day. Stay safe. First time if you're watching our video, don't forget to subscribe and share our video with your friends and family. Stay safe again.